So, our next question, we have to connect a 32 KB memory space to 8085. But our connection issue is that the memory card provided has just 8 KB capacity. So, 32 by 8, we will be needing 4 memory cards for this operation or 4 ROM cards for this operation. So, basically when you look into the diagram, we take an 8085 chip. It's connected via a latch, an AD latch, which basically separates the address and data bus. And again, we use a 2 to 4 decoder because we need to control just four devices. We need just a 2 to 4 decoder, and along with that, an enable switch is also connected in order to turn on or turn off the decoder. Because we are taking 3 memory spaces, an enable switch is also taken. And here the AD bus is basically getting separated here. So an 8-bit data and an 8-bit address bus is separated here, and along with that it has some read bar or write bar pins. And so now we connect 4 ROM, that means 2 ROM and 2 RAM cards. So basically an RD bar signal is given to ROM and it will having a data output only, whereas the RAM card will have a bidirectional data bus. That means it can be data can be fed into the RAM or fed away from the or it can be taken from the RAM card. It has got read bar and write bar pins as it is a RAM card. Next, here we have to realize a 64 KB memory space, and we have only an 8 KB memory with us. So what we have to do, and we have to connect RAM and ROM to the device. So here we select a 64 KB memory is required. So we select an 8 KB card, and basically the system will be requiring 4 RAM cards of 8 KB and 4 ROM cards of 8 KB. So 8 plus 8, it will be becoming a 16 KB memory space. Again, we will be using a 3 to 8 decoder here, and the output of this decoders will be connected to corresponding ROM cards or RAM cards. It will be having the 8085 microprocessor, and it's connected via a AD latch or address latch. And from it we can take data output as well as address output. And as we have seen in the previous figures, the data bus for the RAM card will be bidirectional, whereas the data bus for the ROM card will be unidirectional. Similarly, the ROM card is characterized only by the RD bar, whereas the RAM card is connected by the read bar and write bar pins. Okay, it will be the different modes of interconnection of memory to Intel 8085.